Every landmark begins as a line on a page with every precise detail mapped. AFI's local fabricators transform these drawings into a reality, from raw stock to machined structures, rolled stock to bolts, bolts to assemblies. We craft everything with precision. Threaded rods, bolt cages, stud bolts. Every component is made in-house to specification. B7 and L7, 316, A4, stainless, Inconel and high tensile steel. Coatings, HDG, Xylan, Esso Spec and more. We meet spec no matter the challenge. Full QA documentation and traceability available. From Melbourne to the Pilbara, we ship assemblies ready to install. Our lead times are the envy of the industry with project-based kitting options. Delivered to site ready to install. AFI, reliable, compliant, on time.